Horrific shark attack in Falmouth, 16-year-old Jamari Reid decapitated, shocking details emerge. 16-year-old Jamari Reid was tragically decapitated in a shark attack off Falmouth's coast. Read more on this shocking incident and community reactions. In a tragic turn of events, 16-year-old Jamari Reid, a student of William Knibb High School, lost his life in a brutal shark attack off the coast of Falmouth, Trelawney, on Tuesday. The incident, which has left the community in shock, unfolded near the Falmouth fishing village, a popular spot for local fishermen and divers. Jamari, an experienced diver familiar with the waters, ventured out for what seemed to be a routine dive. However, tragedy struck when a shark reportedly attacked him. Rescuers later retrieved his lifeless body from the sea, horrifyingly decapitated, and with one arm severed, marking a gruesome and heartbreaking end to the young boy's life. The fishing community in Falmouth is grappling with the loss, as many knew Jamari as a regular in the waters. Jamari was highly regarded for his diving skills, which made the incident even more shocking and devastating. "He was always careful," said one local fisherman who had known him for years. "We never expected something like this to happen, especially not to someone as experienced as him." Authorities are still piecing together the events leading up to the attack. The exact time when Jamari went missing is still unclear, but people quickly noticed his absence and launched a search effort. The discovery of his mutilated body has sparked both fear and sorrow in the community, with many questioning the safety of the waters they once navigated with confidence. This tragic incident serves as a grim reminder of the dangers that lurk in the ocean. As the investigation continues, local authorities and marine experts will provide more information about the species of shark involved and any additional safety measures necessary to prevent future tragedies. As more details emerge, 876newsja.com will continue to provide updates on this heartbreaking story and other news that impacts our community. We extend our deepest condolences to Jamari Reid's family and friends during this incredibly difficult time. Stay tuned to 876newsja.com for the latest updates on this developing story and other news that matters to you. We are committed to keeping our readers informed as new information becomes available.